Hi, let's see how we can sell the holdings from our account through the Telegram bot. Let's just check the portfolio what we are holding. As you can see, I have some Tata Power, I have some Yes Bank. I am holding one quantity of Tata Power, four quantity of Yes Bank. I can verify the same from the bot by checking holdings. If you check the holding, I can see there Tata Power is available at one quantity. I bought it for 94.23 average price, and am holding Yes Bank 4 quantity. This is the average price 14.54, and I can also check my portfolio value. I can see I have invested this amount. The portfolio value is this. This shows me the net profit and loss. So this is the loss in Yes Bank. This is the profit in Tata Power. So suppose I want to sell out this holding. How I can do that? Either I can go to angel broking and I want to place a sell order at a market price or a limit price, or simply I can say sell Yes Bank. I am holding 4 quantities. Suppose I want to sell 2 and see if I want to sell at market price. I will just say sell Yes Bank 2, and if I want to put some limit price, I can say sell Yes Bank at 14.25 something, whatever. So let's sell it at market price. I say sell Yes Bank 2, and it puts the order for the Yes Bank, and the market sell goes to angel and it got executed at 13.9. So if I go and check my orders, I can see this sell Yes Bank has been executed, and if I go and check the trade detail, 244.29, 244, so this is almost at the same time I was able to sell my holdings, and this is how we can sell our holdings through the bot. Here one point is we need to make sure that we have power of attorney attached through our account. Otherwise it will not allow me to sell the holdings, because it will always ask for the TPIN, and when any account does not have a TPIN, we need to provide POA. We need to provide POA so that holdings can be sold from the bot. Otherwise we will not be able to sell the holdings. And now if I see and check my today's order, I can see since this is a Yes Bank, I can see it in my current order, and this is the info order which I placed in the morning. And I can also check my today's profit and loss. This is the profit and loss which is going on with this. And if I go and check my live positions, and this is the live position in fee, it has minus 35 rupees, and this is, yeah, that's it. And if you want the same bot for your angel account, just click open the account provided in the description, and you will get the access of this bot at no extra cost. This is very simple to use, very easy to use, very fast to use. You don't have to think about the complexity of any of the trading platform offers, the UI and everything. Just write some commands and all your orders will be pushed, and you can see all the details. Thank you. Have a great day.